not surprised, motherfuckers.
I want that belt. He's playing ping pong. I'm not playing games, yeah, I told him that before.
Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? Let's see so many motherfuckers wanna take a piece. Coming equipped with some shit niggas just can't believe. I pull a trick from my sleeve, now kamikaze, I'm all over that nigga, now come identify the body. My middle finger to you hoe niggas, run up on me and I'll be forced to let it go, nigga. I ain't the one you wanna try. Why? Staying high, hit the button, watch these motherfuckers die. Who's running the streets? I said they cocaine, cause in the dope game, niggas that die for they gon' propane. Another hustler making major cash, to the punk police, come raid your ass. Now you stretched doing fair time, and it's a bitch cause the judge gave you 8 years. You doing 6 and we know that you can't hang. You a trick, roll over, turn snitch like a bitch. Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? They got a nigga in the dice game. I'm feeling lucky, but the nigga's just a little bigger. He tryna fuck me, I'm my cash, I'm a blast, nigga. He don't know, I gotta tell you like the last nigga. Don't need to run for the trunk, I get him up. Left to right, my uppercut, I hit him up. I'm known to walk the streets on any block. I love my niggas, but I ain't putting down my Glock. The gunshot bang when I lose, nigga. And ooh, nigga, I'ma show you not to ever play a true nigga. Lay it down just to prove it. And fuck the rapping, motherfucker, we can do this. Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up? Bitches plenty, sipping my glass full of Henny. Hands on my semi, automatic kill for pennies. Approach for contact, cause I'm live, I multiply. Soon as I open fire, niggas die with open eyes, scared to take a nap. It's a trap, a long maze, dreaming of getting stacks, making scratch the wrong way. What the song say? We murder motherfuckers daily. Blackout, blow the track out. My lyrics never fail me. I inhale strong weed to release the stress. Deliver the bomb shit from the east to west. Like, yeah, niggas pull out when I say so. Commits to popping motherfuckers, copy and fail. Efficiently, I delete and flee. The art of war, living sucker free. Get with me, nigga, just don't get just.
We are standing now, you two fucking bitches. You do fuck all.
Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga? Now you know you should've ducked, nigga. Now you falling for my uppercut. Fuck, so what's up, nigga?
Check it, I'm the fucking man who the match it. Notice that other niggas rap styles is bogus. Doo-doo, compared to this versatile voodoo. Blazing the stuff that ain't nice, stimulation inside ya. Cause I be that house of provider, providing the rhyme that be deep in the facade and adventure. Niggas need to test they freaking temperature for the sickness that be spreading with the quickness. Remedies, cousin, I be doing on my enemy. Penalty, then I drink 40 to their memories. Emotion, crossing through your town street vicinity. Blood smoke in the air reveals my identity. My God, somebody said it's on. If it is, then I'll be set. To blow a nigga up with my 5 fingers to death. I bring it to his whole damn fam. Understand if you frontin' on any man down with the clan, I be coming for the headpiece. You can't cope for my brother. I bring it to the flow or the mother. Stereo killer sound from the gals. So stack my peoples, are you with me where you at? Shit's getting deep in here. I mean like thick. Niggas looking all in my face like they want dick. It's about to hit the fan, hit the flow. That's all I can stand and I can't stand no more. What is it? Niggas think they bigger because they got their finger on the trigger of a biscuit. They don't know I'm wicked. When I start to kick it, eat they raw sound, watch it down with a mystic. Better get a snapple. Nigga want the juice, but he don't want the hassle. So we try to overthrow the castle. Better get the temple. I'm coming to your town, black down. The rental, the pistol. God, if you don't wanna burn from the clock, then beware. I buck shots, meaning what? The buck stops here. No more dough will be made unless it's being made by who? What's that rhythm? What's that sound? Party people getting down. When it hit, no doubt it's fair. Just feel it. And keep it, baby, we be moving up. And keep it moving, you know we keep it moving up. And keep it moving, baby, we be moving up. And keep it moving, you know we keep it moving up. And keep it moving, baby, we be moving up. And keep it moving, you know we keep it moving up. And keep it moving, you know we keep it moving. Baby, we be moving, you know we keep it moving. Throw your hands in the sky and wave them from side to side. And if you're ready to spark up the Mac-the-Cal, let me hear you say stimuli.
That's right, that's right. They wanna know who's the role model. It's in the brown bottle. Facing life or death, I was a thug ever since my mama gave me breath. So who am I to try to warn them? A buck and bomb them, the niggas fry. Hey, damn that Hennessy. Damn that Hennessy. It's in the brown bottle. Y'all don't hear me? Now that it's poppin', ain't no love, bitch. I maintain in the game. My niggas crooked though it seems. My every single thought is quarter be collecting cream. I'm made, nigga. Picture me dying in the blaze. A gunfire. Will not retire till I'm paid. Turn the base of power. Who we fly by. Bitches blow me kisses. Niggas from Compton to Brooklyn. Come on, get your riches. From Crenshaw to 125 and do or die. Rolling with niggas from Long Beach to Long Isle. I hardly smell cause my heart froze. Once I commence my show, I rip apart foes. Now I got one nation, it's a crooked compilation just to end the bullshit. Let's get back to money making, tell them busters that I rolled on, controlling the house. My shit so wicked when I flip, niggas closing their mouth. The Coco Brothers, Buckshot, the BDI Thug, Greg Nice, LS, Azu, so show a nigga love. Facing life or death, I was a thug ever since my mama gave me breath. So who am I to try to warn them? A buck and bomb them, the niggas fry. Hey, damn that Hennessy. Damn that Hennessy. Y'all don't hear me? Now that it's poppin', ain't no love, bitch. I maintain in the game.
I got to ask on the niggas' ass, tell me will they blast me? I think of an alias in case these crooked bitches ask me now. It's getting crazy after dark. These knocks be like trying to shut me down, but I'm too smart. Now picture me scared of the penitentiary. I've been moving these things since the days of elementary. Now tell me what you need when you see me. I'm stacking G's, buying all the things on TV. Believe me, I got some killers on my payroll, and they know when it's time to handle business, nigga, lay low. Although I'm young, I'm still coming up. I'm getting paid, pulling raises on niggas when they running up the first to pull the strap when there's drama. Buster, you ain't heard, I've been slicing motherfuckers since I lost my mama. They ain't a cop that can stop me. My posse has got DNA, don't quit until they drop me. I'm loyal,
facing life or death. I was a thug ever since my mama gave me breath. So who am I to try to warn them? A buck and bomb them, the niggas fry. Hey, damn that Hennessy. Damn that Hennessy. Y'all don't hear me, now let us poppin', ain't no love, bitch. I maintain in the game. Even the cops can't stop us. My enemies flip when they see me drink a fifth of that Hennessy. Y'all niggas can't fuck with this old thug shit. Facing life or death, I was a thug ever since my mama gave me breath. So who am I to try to warn them? A fucking bomb, I'ma make it fry. Hey, damn that Hennessy. Damn that Hennessy. Y'all don't hear me, now let us poppin', ain't no love, bitch. I maintain in the game.
Sip the Don P, watching Gandhi till I'm charged. Writing in my book of rhymes, all the words past the margin. The whole of mic of throbbing, mechanical movement. Understandable smooth shit that murderers move with. The thief's thing. Play me at night, they won't act right. A feed of hip-hop has got me stuck like a crack pipe. Command activation, react like I'm facing time like Pappy Mason. With pins I'm embracing, wipe the sweat off my dome, spit the phlegm on the street. In the Nikes on my feet, keep my cipher complete. Weather cruising in the 6-cab, a Montero Jeep, I can't call it. Beats make me falling asleep, I keep falling. Never falling 6 feet deep. I'm out for presidents to represent me. I'm out for presidents to represent me. I'm out for dead fucking presidents to represent me.
Whose world is this?
The world is yours, disciple of the project / verbal murderer. Yeah, the world is yours. To the Philly blunt heads, crack pumping drug murderers. To my man Ill Will, God bless your life. To my peoples throughout Queens, God bless your life. My insight enlightens vision, words of wisdom. Niggas pay me intuition to listen. The murder paragraphs of mysticism. Man plant seeds that brings forth multiple breeds. So many coaches on one planet, but one coach is free. Son, I need weed to proceed. Change the flow speed, I'm getting vexed. Giuliani is 666. There's no days for broke days, selling smoke pays. I took the chocolate, potent Phillies, never roach sprayed. Shit is a hassle, the bridge is like a haunted castle. The mic's my religion, the system is the devil's lasso. And yo, the trife life is most influential. The colors on men's skins and pens is coincidental. How you living, larger broker? You're wasting time extorting papers from smokers, catching court papers, getting broker. For murder raps, I kick my thoughts alone. Get remanded, born alone, die alone. No crew to keep my crown on throne. I'm deep, I sound alone. Cave inside 1,000 miles from home. I need a new nigga for this black cloud to follow. Cause while it's over me, it's too dark to see tomorrow. Trying to maintain. Flip, fill the clip to the tip. Picturing my peeps, 90 ink can make my heartbeat skip. And I'm amped up. They lock the champ up. Even my brains in handcuffs. Headed for Indiana, stabbing bitches like the Phantom. The crew is lamping, Ill Will stab. Check the go.